Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you interested in buying a domain on domain.com? In this guide, we will help you navigate the process of searching for and purchasing a domain throughout domain.com. So guys, without no further talking, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all guys, make sure to head up to domain.com. Then go ahead and open domains and search for your domain. Here guys, you will be able to find all domains that are available after you write a domain name. So let's try to find a domain name for our website. First of all, I'm gonna write a name that can be used for my website. So for example, I'm gonna write here, I'm gonna write Team Esports Cup and click on search. Right after that, I will be able to find dozens of websites with or basically one domain name with dozens of extensions. Extensions are basically a name which we call .com, .net, org, store, tech, etc. Now, the prices of these domains are gonna vary a lot depending on the trend and of course the name itself. For example, here we have a domain name that starts with $12, which is the normal name, which is the much global one, the .com one. If I wanted to go with something much more like used in the scene, I will have to go with this one, which is teamscap.ai, which is AI basically is the trend. That is why the price has gone like 10 times more, or even like more than that. So this is what are basically the conditions of the price of a domain. It's basically if it is trending, the keywords of it, and basically how if there's like a company that's wanted, then this is also like makes the domain name very expensive. For example, here we could find like domains with 3K or 4K almost, 3K here, 200 here, 2K here, so you can find very big amount of variations. Rather than that, I would give you another like basically as like help, which is if you search for this domain on another website, for example GoDaddy. Let me just search for it. As you can see here, it is 200. On GoDaddy you will have like other basically things or basically offers. For example, here you could get it for $60 for the first year, and the second year it will be only $139 instead of 200. So just in case you would like to buy a domain, make sure to actually go throughout several kind and options of social or platform that are selling domains to check the best price for you, since making the budgets, even if you have a high budget, making like charges less are gonna help you a lot to save money for other things. Now here you will have, for example, let's say that you want to get this domain which is .com. As you can see here, it is selected directly. So what I'm gonna do is to put first some like conditions like or information that I need. First of all, what or how long do I want this domain name to be mine? For example, I want it to be for like 5 years mine, so I'm gonna choose like that. And for this privacy protection, for example, I don't want it, I can simply click here and remove it, and just like that I can only pay for the domain without paying for the extra charges. Or for example, if I want it to 1 year and reduce my charge for $11 or $12, I can do that as well and put an auto renew option, so every year it's gonna cut like $11 or $12 from my bank account instead of like paying a total of 137 sum of money. So here after that, click on continue, and as you want, for example, if you would like to have an extra storage, for example for Google Workspace email, you could click here and add it to your cart. It's gonna be $3 per month for a user. If you don't want to lose your domain with domain expiration protection, keep your domain registered in your name even if your payment fails. If you use domain expiration protection, your domain renews automatically. Now this thing is basically this option is paid, but on other applications you might find it for free. For example, on GoDaddy here, let me just show you. If I went to my products, this actual add-on, or basically whatever you want to call it, or option, it's actually for free. I can just trigger a button right here and it can be turned on and off depending on how do I like it to be. Here also there is some powerful web hosting if you would like to get a web hosting, in case you would like to have an SSL certificate, which is basically the S where you find in the HTTPS. So you'll find here like an S. Basically this S is for security, which makes your website more secured. It makes like browser do not be afraid from getting the user into your website, would not pop up any weird things, any malwares, even like antivirus will not be declaring that which website it says. It's gonna make your website basically more secure. Once you feel like you have chosen everything, click on proceed to billing, and here guys you have to add a couple of things. First of all, you have to put your billing information. So put here the first name, last name, street address, your country, postal code, city, state, email address, and phone number. A couple of these options are gonna be removed in case you were already registered and logged into your account. For example, the phone number, email address, and the password. Now, in case you would like to add Google Workspace, you will have to give them a name, and basically once you're done, simply pick your payments method. It could either be using credit card or PayPal. Once you have chosen and fulfilled everything, make sure to add a coupon code to make it even much more cheaper. For example, like that, I'm applying this coupon code and waiting for it to work. If that coupon code worked, now I am saving $2.4. This coupon code is called Honey25, so make sure that you use it as well to make your purchases much more cheaper, and so you can get a Honey Gold. This Honey Gold, you can use it in your further new purchases and make a discount and pay with it like just real money. So now, after you do that, you simply have to click now on purchase now. Make sure to click or unclick this one, depending if you want to hear more about how domain.com can help me grow my business or not. And simply click on purchase now. You will receive an email within your inbox. Make sure to click on the link right there. That's the email that will help you to verify your domain. Just after that, you have your domain in your dashboard, and now you can redirect it to a web application that you already own and make it as your main domain. So that was it guys for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe to our channel. If you do have any more questions, leave them down below, and see you guys in the next tutorial.